What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I just want to make a real quick video just to get it out the way and just show why the iPhone SE is a great phone for like 75% of the people out there. So be sure to stick around, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm here on Apple.com on the iPhone SE specs, and I just want to show you the one reason why. Boom, A13 Bionic chip, 3rd generation. This is the only other phone that has it besides the iPhone 11 series, and that means that this phone and the iPhone 11 are the only two phones that have it, and the only two phones besides the newer ones coming out that are going to be good for about 5 years to come. Now the price point is $400, and if you're the type of person like me and you don't care about having a home button and having bezels on the top and bottom, then this is going to be the phone for you. This is a workhorse of a processor in this phone, and I've put it through a lot of stress tests, and this thing is just clocking. It's clocking so fast. I've seen this guy on YouTube. I think his name was Everyday Dad or Every Dad. I'm going to see if I can't find it, and I'll leave a link in the description to the video that I'm talking about. He records on the iPhone SE. He recorded a video. He edited it on the iPhone, and he rendered it on the iPhone, and it took less time than his computer rendering it. So that was absolutely crazy. Shoot a comment down below, everybody, if you think that this phone is a good deal. Let me know if you don't like it. Also, I want to hear from you. Shoot in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out in the description below. I got some links to some tech gear and iPhone accessories that I know you guys will love. So check that out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.